Now in this tutorial I am going to show you about HTML form validation with PHP. There are a lots for HTML form validation, but in this video I will show you a simple form validation with PHP as a beginners, okay, with PHP built-in function. But in future you will get a lots technique for form validation, so don't worry, let's go to live. Okay, first open your gem control panel, start Apache and MySQLi. Go to your folder directory, gem htdocs or fast folder, copy the folder name, my first PHP project, then edit with notepad++. Open your browser, write localhost / your folder name. Okay, HTML form validation. In our previous tutorial we have completed about super global post and get difference. Okay, post versus get. Anyway, now in this tutorial I will show you about PHP HTML form validation. So first create a form. Suppose I write table. I hope you already know about HTML table tag. If you know, please skip some few minutes. Then td, close td. Okay, first suppose write name, Ctrl+D to double the line, then write input field, input type equal to, suppose I write text, and name equal to, suppose name, placeholder equal to, suppose write your name. Okay, copy, then suppose I write email, name equal to, suppose I write email, and write your, suppose email. I am showing you as a tutorial purpose very quickly. When you seeing this tutorial, just pause and play and you will understand easily. Anyway, write suppose website, name equal to, suppose I write website, write your web address, then suppose I write a message, visitor message. Okay, message field. Here remove the input field. Here we will use HTML text area. Okay, text area, close the text area. Okay, write a name of text area. Suppose I write comment or write message as you wish. Message, rows equal to, suppose 5, calls equal to, suppose 50. I hope you already know about it. Okay, because you will already cross the HTML CSS level. Okay, then again paste and write suppose gender. I write a gender, and here just write suppose I write a radio button or radio, name equal to, suppose gender. Here will be value equal to, suppose male, and write male. Here will be two input field, male and female. Ctrl+D to double the line, radio, gender, and here will be female and female. Okay, and our last submit button, first field will be blank. Why I am remaining blank, I am showing you, just a minute. Name equal to, suppose I write submit, and here will be value equal to, suppose I write submit. Okay, refresh your browser. You can see this is our simple HTML form. We don't use any CSS because I will show you PHP. Okay, this is our HTML basic form. Now how to retrieve value from this HTML form. Okay, for retrieve value you need to first a form. So write a form and write a action. Okay, which page will be action? We will want to action this page. Okay, so write a PHP block here. I hope you already know about it, because if you check my previous tutorial, okay, I will highly recommend to check my all tutorial serialization. Okay, here write $_server. Okay, and write PHP_self. As a result, this action will be this page, I mean index.php. this action will be index.php page. Okay, and method equal to post. We will working with post method. Okay, also you can blank it, this field. Okay, action equal to blank. If you remain this field action equal to blank, so it will action this page. Also you can write this code, php equals server $_server php_self. It will the same result. Okay, as you wish, and close the form after the HTML table tag form. Okay, just you can see our a simple form. Okay, now how to retrieve value from this form. Okay, so first write a PHP blog, and I hope you already know about it. First write a $_server, $_server, then request underscore method. If $_server request underscore method equal post, our method is post. Here you need to write the capital letter. Okay, I hope you already know. If you don't know, please check my previous tutorial. You will easily understand. You will get the link in my video description box. Also, you can get the link in, just click the I button of the right up top this video. Okay, anyway, if $_server request underscore method equal post, then catch the data from this field. Okay, right, suppose post, I will retrieve data post method. Okay, then here just write the field name, input field name, not type, just the field name. Okay, our input name, field name is name, so here just write name, and assign this value into another field. Suppose I write name, I am write the same name, as you can easily understand this tutorial. Okay, you can write anything, name or anything as you wish. Now Ctrl+D to double the line. Our next field is email, then here email, then email. Okay, Ctrl+D to double the line. Our third is website, and our fourth is message. Okay, we can see message, text area field, message. So just here message and message. I am writing all the field name same, then you can easily understand, or you can name anything, email, name, field, website, you can write as you wish. Okay, it is not compulsory, but this name, message, website, email, name, this will be must according to input field name. Okay, must according to input field name. Okay, then Ctrl+D to double the line, message, then our gender, name equal to gender. Okay, and last our submit, don't need submit. Right, now how to validate this form. Okay, suppose you can write here. Okay, just organize it. Okay, you can write it PHP built-in method, suppose trim htmlspecialchars. Okay, htmlspecialchars etc, the built-in method of PHP. Okay, you can write suppose trim. Okay, it will remove the unnecessary space. You can also write stripslashes. Okay, but you need to write here again and again, cause we will show you 3 built-in method. But if you make another user-defined function, I hope you already know about user-defined function, cause in my previous tutorial I have showed about how to make a user-defined function in PHP. If you don't know, please check my previous tutorial from video description box. Okay, suppose here I make a PHP user-defined function, suppose function. Okay, then write a function name, suppose valid data. I write a name, you can write anything as you wish. Then this data will be catched by passing argument or value. Okay, so here just suppose I write data, you can write anything. Okay, suppose I write data, so here first field will be our trim. Okay, first built-in method, sorry, not field, built-in method trim. Okay, trim function, then the data, this data, which data you are passing, I mean name, will be passed here. You can see easily understand, and I am storing this value into another. Suppose I write data, you can write anything, then Ctrl+D to double the line, then here will be stripslashes. Okay, and Ctrl+D, then htmlspecialchars. Okay, this will be htmlspecialchars. Also you can use this htmlspecialchars into here. You can see here in $_server php_self, here you can use this method. Suppose just use a bracket. Okay, and here just write htmlspecialchars, then $_server. htmlchars is the advanced level, just search on Google, you will get a huge hints. it will use for just removing the HTML special entities, suppose greater than and less than. If anyone want to run a script in your website or in your database, it will protect. Okay, you will learn more in future about this. So here just seeing this tutorial. And last, return. Okay, return this data. Okay, you can see I am writing first trim. This data will be trim, then store this value. Also you can write here, suppose data 1, you can write, then this trim data then will be function stripslashes, then data 1 will be here. Okay, data 1, then it will be stored, suppose data 2. Okay, then data 2 will be here and it will be stored, suppose data 3. Okay, you can write same name or you can write another and write data 3 will be return. Okay, you can see first this data and here this data, right? Okay, trim, and we have assigned into another variable data 1, then stripslashes data 1, then we will assign this result into data 2 variable. Then again HTML special chars function will HTML special chars the HTML data 2. Okay, and then we will assign this result into data 3 and data 3 return. Or you can write the same name as you wish. Okay, you will get the same results. Anyway, you can see return the data, and here you need to call this function. Okay, here just call this function valid data or function name that we have created, user defined function. Okay, so just write now we are validate according to PHP building function trim, stripslashes and HTML special chars. Okay, now here just echo the value, suppose name, we can echo, suppose I write name is colon, then concrete. Okay, then concrete assign a break. Okay, Ctrl+D to double the line, then our email, here will be email, and suppose email is, suppose when visitor click the field submit button, then data will be preview here. Okay, and here website, when I will show you with database, this data will be stored in database. Okay, but as a beginners I am showing here. Anyway, you can see website, then our message, last field will be gender. Here we are mistakes, you can see gender. Okay, website message, here will be message. Okay, Ctrl+D to double the line, then gender, and here gender, and remove this break because this is our last field. Okay, this is our field. So refresh your browser, you can see, suppose I write region @gmail.com, website suppose wcoderzone.com, first https://www. write it, you can write it, and message equal to I am learning, suppose PHP. Okay, and mail, you can see this is our value, name equal to region, email equal to region@gmail.com, website equal to https. I hope you understand. Anyway, I am writing as an example, and then message all I am learning PHP, and mail. Okay, this is our simple form. But you can see we have write some validation code, trim, stripslashes and HTML special characters. How to work it? You can see if you write here, suppose some spaces, then suppose you can write anything as you wish and write mail. You can see it not take the space that you have write in before. Okay, it's remove the space. You can see it's remove the space. Also you can write, if you are write the /, you can see or write a forward slash, you can see it will remove, okay, unnecessary forward slash. You can see it's remove the forward slash, but message function will not be removed because it's important. But name, you can see it's remove the HTML unnecessary slash. You can see again, if I submit some text, you can see region but not any slash. Okay, I hope you understand. It will remove the slash or space. Strip slash will be remove the unnecessary slash, and trim will be remove the unnecessary space, and HTML special entities will remove the special entities. Suppose if someone want to run a script in your file, suppose here, suppose write if someone script, script script, okay, then if write alert, suppose I write text, okay, you can see it's simply retrieve data according to the data value. Okay, you can see script alert hacked. But if you remove the validation, suppose here you can see validation gender, suppose if I remove the validation, you can see here I have removed the validation code from the name field. Okay, you can see name field. So if you write here, suppose script alert, suppose I write hacked. I mean, if anyone want to run script unnecessary code into your database or website, you will able to run any script, okay, in your site for damage or hacking if you don't use this protection. Okay, this is the security or validation. So if you submit here, you can see in the Chrome browser says that Chrome detect unusual code, okay, on this page and block it to protect your personal data. Okay, I mean hacked usual data I have read, and for this browser stop is working. But if you run into another browser, suppose here, suppose I write into Internet Explorer, you can see this is our form, and here if you write suppose this code, hacking code, you can see here, suppose mail, and submit, you can see hacked. This site it says hacked, okay, and it's ongoing running. I mean, if you do not use HTML special chars, okay, it will easily to hacker to hack the website or running any script into your website. Okay, but if you use HTML special chars character, suppose if I use here, suppose here in our first field, if I use it, suppose validation, I mean trim, strip slashes and HTML special chars, and here if I write again this alert code again and submit, you can see it's generally submitted. Okay, script and hacked. Okay, also you can define here some fake variable. As a result, it will first time counted as a blank. Suppose this field, sorry, here we have write the name, email, web address, message, etc. So first we can declare as a blank variable, empty variable. Okay, it will react as a first empty variable. Just blank, okay, nothing else. It will react it as a first time all field count will be blank. Okay, then when visitor will submit data, then it will retrieve. Okay, so I hope you understand that how to validate a form, okay, as a beginner. You will learn more techniques in future. Okay, so don't worry and practice.